how to create a new Apple ID. Now let's get started. Before we begin, first of all, make sure that you have a new email address which is not associated with any of your Apple ID, since one email address can be used for one Apple ID. So with that in your mind, open up the Chrome browser in your mobile device. Now on the search URL, type in appleid.apple.com. After that, you will land on this interface. Now to create an account, tap on this drop-down menu that is Apple ID. Then from there, tap on Create Your Apple ID. Now to get started, first of all, you have to type in your first name. So enter your first name and your last name. And under that, you have to select your country. So tap on that drop-down menu. From here, select your country. And under that, you have to type in your date of birth as well. So provide your date of birth. And under that, there you have to enter your email address, which will be your new Apple ID. After you do that, you have to create a password, and your password must have 8 or more characters, upper and lowercase, and at least one number. Once you have created your password, now again confirm your password, and under that you have to enter your phone number, which will be used to verify your identity at any time you sign in on a new device or a web browser. So for your verification, simply provide your phone number. There you get to select a method by which you may verify, either with text message or a phone call. So go ahead and select any one of that. And once you're done with that, you have to type in the characters in this image for your verification. So type in the code and then tap on continue. After that, going through all of these steps, you will have a new Apple ID. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.